What are biggest challenges fishermen face here?
Right now, the main biggest challenge that the fishermen fish around here is changing from the bad fishing gear to the good fishing gear. Like right now, there are regulations by the fisheries. There are some nets that is required of them that we use, and you find that this net or these fishing gears fetch a lot of money, hence affect their catch. And another one is also the decline of the water level, and also around here is like that pressure in the lake. There are a lot of fishermen in the lake, but like as opposed to 20 years that we had a few fishermen, and the fishermen have outweighed the beaches.
Yeah. How do you think fishing will be in Lake Victoria in 20 years?
In 20 years, like right now, when you look at the dwindling stock of the fish, the fisheries will come to a standstill. If no proper regulation is done, more so to the fishing industry, the fish stock will continue declining, and we will only have water for bathing only, but no longer for fishing. Yeah. What I'm saying is that come 20 years, the fisheries is threatened.